Welcome to the new evolution of agriculture, growing food right in the comfort of your neighborhood, be it an urban or a rural setup. Here is a vegetable greenhouse situated right in the heart of town, Dansoman. What we do here is to help you invest in sustainable means of producing organic, premium quality food good for your pocket and good for your health. So, let's hear from you soon. Talk to us.
On the move. And it is Africa on the Move, where we bring you stories that are making positive, making differences or positive change in communities. Many African countries still have challenges making their agriculture sectors viable in tackling food security and improving the livelihoods of farmers. In many urban centers in Africa, where farms, lands are scarce, very little productive farming is done.
But one company based in Ghana wants to change the narrative using greenhouse farming methods. They are getting people in the cities to build greenhouses in their backyards. Isaac Kalechi in Ghana has more on this initiative.
Men busy at work in this house in Ghana's capital, Accra. Under structures made of steel pillars and transparent covers for sunlight, they breed snails and grow other crops. They are using the greenhouse technology built by local firm Trisolace Farms.
Take all of these away, so always we check that the system is up and running.
Trisolace Farms was started by two young entrepreneurs who decided to find opportunities in the agriculture sector using technology. Felix Appiah co-founded the organization.
We started in 2015 when we completed university. We were searching for jobs, and then we said, instead of searching for jobs, why don't we create jobs as people? So we came together, started this project. We said snails do not smell, they do not make noise, so they can be an urban sort of farming, which will not pose any threat as compared to poultry or any other animal that smells.
The snail pens used by Appiah and his team are environmentally friendly. They are made from recycled metal and car tires. Vegetables and crops like cassava, plantain and cocoyam, among others, are also grown using the greenhouse technology. With year-round harvest, Appiah says this helps increase the yields of urban farmers in urban centers.